Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will discuss TCS interview question and answer part 2. If you will miss part 1, please watch. We have already discussed important question in the part 1 also. So now I'm going to discuss few more question in the part 2. If you are attending the interview or if you are attending the interview for the TCS, you will get some idea what type of the question they are going to ask. So watch this video till end and you can take your interview yourself as well. Are you able to give the answer or not? Okay, so the question they have asked, next question, what are the test hooks and how do they impact in your automation test execution? Basically, hooks concept be used for pre-condition and post-condition. Before executing your script, we are giving some preconditions. Suppose you are connecting some database or you are creating some, launching the browser, right? So we can implement inside these hooks, right? After execution will complete, it must having the close or quit your browser. So those logic we can write in post condition, right? So this is called your hooks concept. Test hooks are the special method provided by the testing framework that run before and after test case to set up the precondition and clean up the post condition significantly and impacting the automation test execution by ensuring that the test runs in the consistent and isolated environment, right? So definitely if you are doing the practice, you have this all the answer handy. If you don't have, please prepare well. End of the video I will tell you how you will get this all the PDFs. You can revise this and you have a proper notes for the revision as well. Okay, so please watch this video at the end. Next question they have asked, what is the behavior driven development and how does it relate to the automation testing? So many of them, so you guys are already use Cucumber framework. So Cucumber framework is the BBT framework. Okay, so in the real time what will happen, we have a different people. So when you are give the code, they won't be understand, business people won't be understand the much code, right? So we can give some the requirement, right? Like the test scenario in the some plain English text, right? So when you are implementing the features file, so we are writing the plain English text. So those things, those features file will understand, means technical people also and non-technical people. And we have a many benefits of the Cucumber, right? So while using that you will understand. Suppose what happened, we are doing the manual testing, right? But when you are using the BBT, we have some plain English text of the scenario. Those scenario will help to the stakeholder also, and parallelly we can do automation as well. So behavior driven development is a software development approach that encourages collaboration between the developer, tester, business stakeholder while writing the test scenario in the plain language, English language, directly relating with to the automation testing by creating a clear, understandable and executable test cases, right? So you know the Cucumber, right? So you already observed that the benefits of the Cucumber. Okay, so we are moving the next. What are the some emerging trending in automation testing and how do you stay updated? So guys, this question they ask in the managerial round, and they will ask you how you are upgrading your skill set. Suppose you know Java Selenium, but client requirement is to implement the automation in the JavaScript and Playwright or some trending tool in the market. So how you are going to approach, right? So definitely we have to keep updating ourselves, so as per the current market, right? So nowadays days we have a many online resources where you can easily upgrade your knowledge, right? You can join the live classes also, or you can have some Udemy courses, beautiful courses are available over there. YouTube channels are there. You can take the help from the chat GPT also, right? So nowadays days the learning things are very easy. You have many content available and we can keep learning ourselves and upgrade it, right? So you can give the answer. Okay, understood, right? So imagine trends in the automation testing include AI driven, right? So now we have AI also. Many AI tools are in the coming for the automation, and definitely many of them you are using the chat GPT, and this is how the makes our life easy, right? Understood, right? So continuous testing in CI/CD pipeline, test automation for microservices, staying update, involved in the following industry blogs, attending the webinar, participating in the professional forums. Okay, so many contents are there. Next question they have asked, what is the difference between soft and hard asset? So this is the part of the test engine. Soft asset, we don't have any critical functionality. In the soft asset, what will happen when your test case will fail? So your execution will not stop. In the hard asset, execution will stop. So if you have some critical functionality, definitely we can go for hard asset, right? So this is the some code, a snapshot of the code. Just you can check and you can try to execute this code in your system. So hard asset stop the test execution of the failure, stable for the critical check. And now soft asset allow to test execution and continue. So if you are doing some normal validation and all, then we can definitely, if we don't have any critical check, then we can go for the soft asset. The soft asset, this is the snapshot for the soft asset. So soft asset is a class. We are creating the object of this class, and you can use whatever the method which is available in your soft asset for the validation. And in the last we will use all asset, otherwise the code will not work. Okay, so hope this snapshot will help you, and please try to execute the code. And they have asked some Java program, write a Java code to find the first duplicate element in an array. So you have to find the duplicates element in array. Understood that? And second code they have asked, write a Java program to find the largest element in array. So refer my tutorial. I have one playlist where I have uploaded common interview question for Java programming, and many times this code is repeated, and you can follow also Java concept of the day. So whatever the question they have asked, please go through that, execute this code, understand, write in your notebook, execute, and definitely you will get more confident. Okay, that's it in this video, guys. So I told you in the last of the video I will show you how you will get this PPT. So this all the PDF of the PPT you will get in my portal. So this is the free PDF available. You can just go and you can just click on this. Just you can continue with the Google, you can do it, and you can enroll from here. We have designed some of the interview questions which is very common for Java, Selenium, Cucumber, and API testing, and rest assured. So this is the paid course, guys. If you want, you can purchase for the interview preparation, and definitely this will also helpful for you. Okay, that's it in this video, guys. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe and press bell icon and share with your friends. So in the next video, bye bye.